Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marian. In today's video, I'm doing this look. I'm doing a Valentine Day photo shoot with my daughters. If you would like to see how I accomplish this look, then stay tuned. But before I jump into this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoy it, give it a big thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. And without further ado, let's hop into it.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind.
Okay, so I'm hoping my audio is good. I must tell you, I dropped my camera and I've recorded 2 videos and the audio was trash. Hopefully it's not in here. If not, or if it is trash, I'm just gonna have to do a voiceover. But I did my brows and I already put some, not primer, but concealer on my eyelids and set it. I put my primer on because, you know, I just kind of want to get to the eyes. Like I said in the intro, I'm getting ready to do a Valentine Day photo shoot with my daughters. So, trying to make myself look decent. So I'm going to use products that I know work for me and that I really like. And I'm gonna do an eyeshadow look. I'm very surprised that I want to do that. And then I have 2 new friends right here from eating chocolate. So, but I'm going to dip into Pat McGrath's palettes because this one here have a lot of different variations of like pinks and stuff and purples. My shirt is like it's a light pinkish, and then I can tap into this one because this one have some pink. So I have options, and more than likely I'll go into this one and have more pinks, and if I have to go into the other one, it is what it is. So it's gonna be a simple makeup look, nothing fancy. So my goal is to not have to use a lot of brushes because I just want to keep it simple. Now I just want to deepen it a little bit, just a little bit, like the outer corner. It kind of looks the same, but it is a tad bit deeper. But it's definitely doing what I need it to do. I think I'm gonna leave it as is because if I do something different and I don't like it, I'm gonna be very upset, and I do not have time to like redo my eye look. So now I'm gonna move on to the base for foundation using by Mario. This foundation is in 17N, so I know y'all have seen me use this so many times. And where's my foundation brush? I had it. And now it says find me. Okay, I guess I will be using this one from Morphe. I like this one as well. So this is a thick foundation. And I did like 2 full pumps. And I do a lot around my chin, as I said before, because that's where I need the most coverage. Oh, I got another friend comment. I don't know why. I just went on a chocolate binge, but All really love this brush. It just blends out so well. And I always just take whatever is left and put it on my forehead. I don't add any more product to the brush. Moving on to concealer, my tried and true Born This Way by Too Faced concealer. This is in warm beige. This is gonna give me the coverage that I need, and this is just a bomb ass concealer. I have others that I like, but for this, I know it's going to do what I need it to do. I have to use it. And then I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. Now I'm using it as a bronzer, but I'm going to use the Sephora contouring brush because I feel like this is the perfect size because I don't want a lot. You see, and then I'll just be able to blend it easily. But what I'm going to do is use a sponge or a powder puff to blend it out. This is from Sephora. I really don't like it, but it does what it needs to do as far. Now, baby, these on that last leg. Let's blend this out. This one here is going in the trash, but I'm gonna use it up for this look, but yeah, it's a no-go. But this lets you know that I use everything I buy until it's on its last leg. I'm gonna get all of my money's worth. Well, so far so good. I don't have a cream blush that I want to use this time, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye. First thing to use is the Charlotte Tilbury, and this is in number 1. It's very bright. I like to do this before going in with translucent powder. It gives that airbrush look and it brightens my under eye. And then I can always tone it down with the translucent powder. Laura Mercier translucent powder as usual. I'm just gonna use the other side. Tap off. And I like to set my smile line as well, because I tend to get a little oily right up in here around my nose and my smile line, which I think is very weird. Now it's time to use the powder bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury. I just use whatever is left over around my chin to kind of sculpt it out. Not really contouring, but contouring, if you get what I'm saying. So far so good. I'm liking the way everything is turning out to be. So what I'm going to do is kind of like do a reverse contour. And I'm gonna use the same powder puff, but just on one side. I did my reverse contour up a little higher than I normally do, but honestly, it's like the perfect spot because of how high my cheekbones are. And to set my entire face, using Dior Backstage Body and Face Powder is going to give me that airbrush look that I am always striving to achieve. I know I use a lot of the same products, but I just feel like if it works for me, then why not? You know, I don't get products for free. I get some products for free, but not like how other people do. So I can't just keep going and buying new makeup. Now, I did in the beginning. If it looked nice and shiny, I was like, oh, I want to try it. And I have a lot of makeup that I don't really dip into. But like, I only have one face. I'm not a makeup artist. So I just had to tell myself, like, girl, pipe down. Calm down. You don't need to have everything. You don't need to have every new release. Makeup, honestly, is like a therapeutic thing for me. But at the same time, I also have to think about my pockets, if you get what I'm saying. You already know I use Fenty. This is Caramel Cutie to kind of like contour my nose. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm using the It's Cosmetics Duo brush. This is a Complexion Perfection number 7 to conceal and then all over. But I really like this one for contouring. I did get this one free. I got it from Influencer to review it sometime last year. And this brush isn't cheap, but it does what it needs to do. If you ever want to try brushes from It's Cosmetics, wait until Ulta has their 21 days of beauty sale. Okay, so this is Juvia's Place volume number 2. And then this is what it looks like. I'm going to use this one. It's very light. And this is the Sephora Blush Pro 99. Set my face with the Milk Hydro Grip spray. Let me protect the lace. Moving on to eyes, we're going to use Huda Beauty Life Liner Quick and Easy Precision Liquid Liner. I don't think I've ever used this one before, so hopefully it does what it needs to do. I'm just going to shake it up. I don't know if it calls for me to shake it up or not, but that's what I'm going to do. It's cool. It'll do. I have the travel size from One Size Beauty mascara. This one is huge. As far as like this travel size mini one, I'm gonna have to do this off camera like I did the eyeliner because I need to concentrate. I'm gonna take Fenty mascara to do my lower lash line because this one right here is just too small. I like the one, but the component is too small for me. I don't know if I like that or not, but I'm going to do my hair, get dressed, come back, and then we can finish this look. Okay, I'm back, dressed. Time to do lashes and then lip. So for lashes, I'm gonna pop these Kiss Lash Couture in Avant Garde. Do that real quick. And I tried to curl my hair. Don't hold any curls, so it is what it is. Okay, lips, I'm going to use the R Revolution Super Filler Lip Pencil. And then the This is Milky Gloss. This is in Cherry Skimmed. So this is the final look for the Valentine Day photo shoot. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. And as always, thank you for watching.
Baby, you give me eyes.